our channel, and now we are going to start our simple equation. I have made it first video on simple equation, and now we are going to do with a different method. Now we are going to do with the transposing method. We will transpose this number and this x number, and now we will go through the transposing method. So let's see our first number question. What is 4x plus 3 by 5 is equals to 5? Okay. So what is our first question? 4x plus 3 by 5 is equals to 5. So we can write the given equation. Equation is what? Our 4x plus 3 by 5 is equals to 5. Okay. And now what we have to do? This is our equation. And now what we have to do? We will transpose this. So we can write by transposing. What are by transposing 3 by 5 to RHS from LHS. Okay, it is good. And now what we have to do, we will transpose this. So now we have to show it also. 4x is equals to 5 minus 3 by 5. And now here we have to take what? LCM. Okay, so we will take upon 1. And now what we have to write? We have to find LCM. If you are not knowing the LCM, what? So we are knowing, but 5 is the your LCM. And now what we have to do? LCM is equals to 5. And now what we have to do? We will write 4x is equals to what? How we will write? 5. And now what we have to do? 5 ones are 5 and 5 5 are 25. And now we have to put this minus 10 and 5 ones are 5 3. So now what we have to write here? 4x is equals to what? 22 by 5 is our this equation. Now we have to solve this equation. We will transpose this 4 now from here. And now what we have to? X is equals to what? 22. It is multiplying here, so now it will be divided. So 4 into 5. And now what will be our answer? X is equals to what? 22 by what? It will be 20. And now what when we will divide 11 and it will become 10. So x value is what? 11 by 10. And now you can solve in easier way. What? It will become 11 to divide 2 from this 20 to 11, and now 2 and now 11 by 10 is your correct answer. So friends, it is our second number question. What is 3x minus 2 multiplied by 2x minus 5? This bracket is there, no sign here, which means it will be multiplied in 2x minus 5. And now we have to solve this equation. So friends, this is our question. 3x minus 2 bracket 2x minus 5 is equals to 2 bracket x plus 3 bracket close minus 8. So we have to solve this equation. We will solve very easily to this equation. Put this arrow side. 3x minus what? 2 it is here, but we have to multiply this inside because no sign is here. So it will become 4x minus what it will be? It will be plus 10x because minus 2 is there, and minus 2 when it will be multiplied by minus 5 it will become plus 10, and now 2x it will multiply inside, and plus 6 and minus 8. Okay. So this is our equation. Solve this equation is equals to what? Minus x is will be, or minus x and plus 10 is equals to what? What it will be? It will be 2x minus 2 it will be. 8 minus 8 subtracted by 6, what it will be? Minus 2, greater number sign we have to put. And now what it will be? Transpose this x to this side and this 10 to this side. So what it will be? 2x minus x is equals to what it will be? It will be, when it will be transposed, minus 2 minus 10 it will be. And now what? It will be our 2x means x. So what? So friends, here it is plus sign. So when it will transport, it will be minus sign, and minus minus it is 3x is equals to what? What it will be? Minus 8. And is equals to what? X is equals to minus 8 upon minus 3. So its answer is x is equals to 8 by 3. So friends, now we are going to start our third number question. What is 5x minus 3 is equals to 3x minus 5? Okay, so now we have to solve this equation. We will solve very easily. We will transpose this minus 3x to this side. So what will be? 5x minus 3x is equals to what? Minus 5 it is. So plus 3, it will be minus 2 is equals to what? It will be 2x. So x is equals to minus 2 upon 2. It will be minus 1. So x value is equals to minus 1. Friends, now we are going to see our fourth number question. What is 2x minus 3 bracket 5 means x plus 1 is equals to what? 5x minus 7. So you have to solve this equation. Now we will multiply this firstly. So we write 2x. But we write 2x minus will multiply, it will be minus 3x, and it will be minus 3. It will multiply x equals to 5x minus 7. And now we have to solve this equation. It will be minus x minus 3 is equals to 5x minus 7. And now what it will be when it will be transposed this side to this, it will be minus 5x minus x is equals to minus 7 plus 3. It will be what? Minus 4 and is equals to minus 6x, and x is equals to what? Minus 4 minus 6. This minus minus cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and x is equals to what? 2 by 3. Friends, now we are going to see our fifth number question. What is 9x upon 5? What? 9x upon 5 is equals to 90. So we can solve it very easily method. What? It's called cross multiplication. Okay. So now we are thinking how to do cross multiplication. So what we can do here, 9x by 5 is equals to 90 upon 1 we can write. Okay. 1, and now what? We will not see this equal sign. We will write here cross multiplication. Okay. So now when this 1 is multiplied by this 9x is equals to, we will not see I have told, but is equals to sign will be there, and 5 multiplied by 90, what it will be? 450. And now what we if we will not multiply also it, 5 into 90 we will write as it is, and now x is equals to what? 5 into 90 upon 9. Okay. And now it can be solved easily. 9 cut by 90, it will be 10, and x is equals to 50. And you can multiply here also 450 upon 9, it will be also come 50. But it is the easiest way not to do the multiplication, not to divide. Only simplest multiply and divide you have to do here. So friends, now we are going to solve our 6th and 7th number question. X upon 9 is equals to 6, and 7th number question is minus 5 upon 4x is equals to 15. So we will solve this easiest, and now what we have to do, we will do simply as cross multiplication upon 1. X is equals to what? 54. Its answer came, what is x is equals to 54. Its value is x. And now what we have to do, we will also do your cross multiplication upon 1. It will be minus 5 is equals to what? It will be 60x. And now what we have to do, 5, it will be x is equals to what? 5 minus 5 upon 60, it will be whatever minus 1 by what? It will be 12. So our answer value of x is minus 1 upon 12. Friends, now we are going to see our 8th and 9th number question. Okay. So what? 11 minus 3x is equals to 5. 7 multiplied by x minus 1 is equals to 21. So it is easiest question. We will solve in just minutes, in seconds also we can solve. 11 minus 3x is equals to 5 it is. We will transpose this 11 to this 5 side, minus 3x. If we will not take here minus, it will transpose, so it will what? It will 5 minus 11 it can take, and 3x is equals to what? It will be minus 6. X is equals to what? Minus 6 upon 3, it will be minus 2. So x value is what? Minus 2. And now we will solve this 9th number question. When we will multiply the 7x minus 1 is equals to 21, and now we will transpose this that side. So 7x is equals to what? 21 plus 1. So 7x is equals to what? 22, and x is equals to what? 22 by 7. It won't be cut, so your answer is 22 by 7. So friends, now we are going to say our 10th number question. What is 3x minus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5x is equals to 7 multiplied by x plus 5. So we will solve it in easiest method. What? It will be 3x minus multiplied 8 and minus plus 20x is equals to what? Now 7 multiplied 7x plus 35, it will be multiplied. And now what we have to do, we will see 3x, it is 20x. When we will add this, it will be 23x minus 8 is equals to what? 7x plus 35. And now we will transpose this that side. So 23x minus 7x is equals to 35 plus 8. It will be what? 43, and 1 it will be added. So what it will be? When it will be subtracted, what it will be? 16x, and so it's equals to now what it will be, x is, it will be 3 here, and now what it will be 16. No, it will be, won't be divided, so what it will be, x is equals to 43 by 16 as it is. It is your answer. So friends, now we are going to see our 11th number question. What is 3x minus 5 it will be plus here, sorry, 3x plus 5 upon 2x minus 7 is called cross multiplication. 3x plus 5 is equals to what, 8x minus what, it will be 28. And now it is our equation, it is made our equation. Now we have to solve how we are solving it. 8x minus 3x is equals to what, minus 28 minus 5, it will be minus 33. And when it will be solved, what it, so friends, here one mistake is there, we will write here 3 and we will write here 8. So it is 3x minus 8x, so it will be minus 5x. And now what it will be, it will be x is equals to what, minus 33 upon minus 5, and it will be cutted, so x is equals to whatever, 33 upon 5 is our answer. So friends, so 20x, it will be 23x minus 8 is equals to what, it will be 7x, it will be plus 24. And now we have to solve this equation. When it will be transposed this side, it will be 23x minus 7x is equals to 24 plus 8. 8 for 12, it will be 32, and what it will be, 16x, and when it will be 6, it will be x, and it's equals to 32, and when it will be divided, it will be 2, and here. And now we have to show you what, we have to verify this also, what is the value of x. So for verifying, we have to put this value at the x place, and now we are going to show how to do the verification. So friends, now we are going to do verify. So what you have to do, we have to multiply this 3, this value of x with this 3, what the number is given here, okay. So 3 multiplied by 2 minus 4 bracket 2 minus, but it will be multiplied bracket close is equals to 7 multiplied what it will be 2 plus 5 minus 11. And now we have to solve this, what it will be, 3 to the 6 minus 4, and when it will be solved, minus 2, sorry, it will be 2 minus 10, and bracket close is equals to what, 7, and 2 plus 7 is equals to minus 11. And now when sorry, here what it will be, it will, as it is 2 plus 5. And now what we have to solve, 6 minus 4 multiplied inside, so 6 minus 8, and when it will be multiplied, it will be plus 40, because minus is becomes plus, is equals to 7 to the 14, what it will be. Now when we will add this, it will be what, it becomes 7, and since the 49 is there, when we multiply, it will be add, it will be 7, and into 7, it will be what, our 49. So friends, we can write here what, we can write here plus 7 also, and till 49 and minus 11. And now when it will be solved, what will be, it will minus 2 plus 40 is equals to what, when it will be solved, it will be 8 and 38, and what it will be, minus 2 and 38, so 38 is equals to 38, so our answer is correct. If you like our video of this simple equation, please press the like button, and if you want to share this video with your friends for telling the simple equation transposing method, you can press the share button, and you can share with your family members, friend and your relatives to whom you want. And please subscribe for our channel for knowing such type of tricks and other questions.